Hello, it's Elaine Swann, the Etiquette Lady. Well, you might be hosting some folks over for dinner, and you're probably, hopefully, thinking about how to properly set your table. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. If you're going to set your plate before your guests arrive, place the plate in the center of the area where the guest is going to sit. Next, set your forks down, which will go to the left of your plate. Now, the key is a lot of times people think that the way you can tell which fork is which is by the size, but not necessarily so. You want to keep in mind that the placement has more to do with how you use the fork than the actual size or either how many tines are on the fork. Your dinner fork goes closer to your plate, and your salad fork goes next to that on the outside. And then keep in mind, what you'll do is eat from the outside, working your way in. Now, on the right-hand side of your plate, you're going to place your knife. Make sure that the sharp edge of the knife is facing the plate. Now, if you do intend on serving soup during the meal, your soup spoon, which is your larger spoon, goes on the outside of the knife, right? So this way we start with our soup, and then our salad, and then our main course for here. Now, once you get to dessert, if you're serving dessert such as a cake, then you would place your fork above your plate with the handle of the fork facing the other forks. Next, with your spoon, which is your teaspoon, place that above your fork with the handle of the spoon facing the right-hand side and the opposite spoon. Now, when you think about your glass, you're going to place your glass just above your knives and slightly to the right. If you do want to serve bread and butter and not pile it on the plate, then my recommendation is to get a bread and butter plate. This is a bread and butter knife, or you can use a regular knife and place it just at the top of the plate, and it goes just above the forks and slightly to the left, okay? And then finally, you have your napkin. Your napkin can go in the center of your plate. It can go inside your glass to make something really fancy, or go to the left of your plate setting. So keep in mind, we have our bread, our meal, and our water, all right? This is a beautiful place setting. And that is how you set a table. Now go ahead, set that table, and get ready for your guest. Thank you for joining me. Be well and live well.